Okay, I'm going to just give a quick wrap-up of what I've done to this point. Both the bridge post threads and the stop tailpiece threads were wrapped with Teflon tape just to kind of tighten them up. Once those threads were wrapped, that tightened up this press fit on the post. Good and solid, that bridge. So we lined up the intonation, the 7th fret and corresponding 19th fret octave. We've just finished leveling, recrowning, edge dressing, and polishing these frets. We're just about to start the compensated nut. So this is the final buff on the frets. In this case, I did remove the neck pickup, wrapped it, put it in a Ziploc bag, and set it aside in order to get those upper frets. And as I've mentioned in other videos, it really depends on the neck set. In the case of this guitar, it did need to be removed. So the original plastic nut has been removed, and we're just about to start the compensated nut process on this one. And here we go, our final tuning check. A string. D string. Third string. It's our B string. And the first string. So before we bring it into the house, I just wanted to flip it over and show you the plaque. So this is the story on this thing. It's got that big honking neck too, eh? Boy, I guess those early ones must have had pretty chunky necks, because this one is definitely not a slim neck by any stretch. And that is the switch plate on the back. So that is a compensated nut detail from that leading edge. And this is the overhead detail, 10 to 46, concert pitch. Now we can go plug this thing in. Well, this is a quick wrap up on Ken's Epiphone 59 Les Paul. I guess it's their version of the VOS. Yeah, these 4 pots, I bring them right up to 10 and then I back them off to about 7 or 8. and leave the switch in the middle position, and that allows me to kind of flick things around and change tone and volume and just pick up to pick up, and you get a sense of this thing. So I've looped this progression. So we're going to let that play.